For decades, engineers around the world believed there were limits no machine could cross. Mountains were obstacles. Oceans were barriers. Gravity was the final judge. China looked at those limits and decided to ignore them. Today, the country operates machines so extreme they can tear through solid mountains in a single day, reshape coastlines, and lift loads once thought impossible. These aren't just tools of construction. They're instruments of transformation, designed to bend nature itself to human will. China isn't simply building machines anymore. It's accelerating the future of engineering faster than the rest of the world can even react. And in this video, we're about to uncover 10 astonishing wonders of Chinese engineering that prove the future isn't coming. It's already here. But before we begin, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. 10th. Suction dredging leviathans. Imagine a machine so powerful it can literally give birth to new land, pulling entire islands out of the sea. These are cutter suction dredgers, the true titans of ocean engineering. At the front, a colossal rotating cutter head chews relentlessly through rock, clay, and sand, tearing open the seabed as if it were paper. Seconds later, an immense suction system pulls the debris inward, sending it through massive pipelines and transforming the ocean floor into pure construction material. One of the most iconic examples is the CSD-450. Built in China, this monster can excavate to depths of nearly 39 feet, making it essential for port expansion, river restoration, and even the creation of artificial islands. From mining operations to coastal mega-projects, these dredging leviathans don't just move Earth, they redesign the geography of the planet. 9th. The mastodontic drilling machine. Now imagine a machine so enormous it can drill deeper into the ground than the height of a skyscraper. Meet the Sany SR-360, China's rotary drilling behemoth and a true mastodon of civil engineering. We're talking about nearly 120 tons of relentless steel forcing its way straight into the earth with overwhelming power. Its drill can bore holes over 328 feet deep and up to 8.2 feet wide, large enough to swallow entire cars. But what truly sets it apart is its adaptability. From soft clay to brutally hard rock, nothing stands in its way. That's why this machine has become a silent backbone behind China's tallest skyscrapers, longest bridges, and most daring tunnels. The SR-360 doesn't just drill into the ground, it lays the foundations for megastructures that seem to defy gravity itself. 8th. The semi-submersible giant. Now, this is insane. Imagine a ship that intentionally sinks just to transport the largest machines on Earth. Meet the ZHUA-25, China's semi-submersible giant, a floating monster designed to carry entire oil platforms, massive ships, and colossal industrial structures. Instead of relying on ports, it submerges its deck, allows the cargo to float over it, and then rises back up, as if by magic. And with 3 cranes capable of lifting 3,000 tons each, it can raise more weight in a single operation than many ships handle in their entire lifespan. This isn't just transportation, it's a mobile engineering fortress, transforming the way mega-projects cross the oceans. 7th. Monstrous drilling machines. Imagine a machine so relentless it devours rock like a beast with steel teeth. These are China's EBZ excavation machines, underground giants built to conquer the toughest terrain on the planet. Their massive cutting heads drive straight into solid ground with extreme precision. And here's the key difference. Their modular design allows instant adaptation, whether for underground highways, mines, or hydroelectric tunnels. While traditional drills struggle with debris buildup, the EBZ advances 26 to 39 feet per day, digging deeper while producing far less waste. Cleaner, faster, and smarter. That's why these machines aren't just digging tunnels. They're redesigning the underground map, transforming raw rock into the backbone of Chinese megaprojects. 6th. Super cranes. Now imagine lifting the weight of 500 cars, not from the ground, but nearly 1,300 feet in the air. That's exactly what the Zoomlion R272 can do, the largest tower crane in the world and a true titan of engineering. This monster lifts up to 720 tons with ease, serving as the backbone of record-breaking skyscrapers and massive mega projects. But raw strength isn't the most impressive part. Equipped with state-of-the-art intelligent control systems, the R272 operates with millimeter precision even under extreme conditions. And thanks to its revolutionary mobile counterweight technology, its lifting capacity is over 60% greater than that of other cranes. This isn't just a crane, it's a sky-conquering giant, pushing human construction to heights once thought impossible. Fifth, the excavator beast. Imagine a machine so powerful it can load a mining truck with just 3 scoops. That's the absurd strength of the WK-75, a Chinese mega excavator that towers higher than a 7-story building and weighs over 2,000 tons. Each bucket movement removes up to 98 cubic yards of earth, a single scoop capable of burying a small house. This brute force makes it the queen of open-pit mining, moving mountains of material at a frightening speed. But here's the detail that matters. It's not just about power. Packed with advanced sensors and automation systems, the WK-75 works intelligently, reducing human error, preventing overloads, and ensuring absolute precision in every dig. It's not just an excavator, it's a giant of steel and intelligence, reshaping the land one colossal scoop at a time. Fourth, the hyper-wheeled crane. Now, this is unbelievable. A crane capable of lifting 4,000 tons in a single move, the equivalent of nearly 20 blue whales being hoisted into the air. This is the XGC 88,000, China's hyper-wheeled giant, standing almost 361 feet tall and designed to surpass everything that came before it. Its power comes from 3 engines, each producing 860 horsepower, for a total of 2,580 horsepower of pure brute force. This isn't just a machine, it's a mobile steel fortress. And the most brilliant part is that, despite its colossal size, the XGC 88,000 can be disassembled into 2 main sections, the crane itself and the counterweight system. This modular design allows it to be transported and reassembled even in the most remote locations on Earth. It's not just a crane, it's a lifting legend, proving that no load is too heavy when China decides to break limits. Third, the tunnel excavating titan. What kind of machine can literally chew through mountains? Meet the tunnel excavating titan, a beast of engineering so massive it looks like it came straight out of a post-apocalyptic sci-fi movie. This mechanical monster doesn't just dig, it carves entire underground highways with surgical precision. With a cutting head over 49 feet in diameter, it's large enough to swallow a 2-story house in a single bite. Even more impressive, it advances continuously through solid rock while installing concrete walls at the same time, leaving behind a perfectly smooth tunnel. That means faster construction, safer working conditions, and efficiency levels impossible for human crews. From subway systems to massive infrastructure projects, this titan isn't just opening tunnels, it's reshaping entire cities from the inside out. Second, the world's most powerful gantry crane. Imagine a machine so strong it could lift an entire skyscraper in one go. This is Typhoon, China's giant gantry crane at the Yantai shipyard, standing 436 feet tall and spanning 394 feet wide. But here's the truly astonishing part. It can lift 20,000 tons, the weight of about 300 elephants, straight into the air. Powered by nearly 31 miles of steel cables, every lift is controlled with laser precision. Since its debut in 2008, this mega crane hasn't just built ships and oil platforms, it has redefined the limits of human engineering. First, the world's largest tunnel boring machine. Meet the S-880 King Liangyu, a machine so colossal it could swallow a skyscraper in a single charge. With a shield over 56 feet wide and a body stretching 394 feet long, This underground titan weighs nearly 5,000 tons and delivers more than 7,000 horsepower. Built with German precision and put to work in China, it excavated a 2.5-mile underwater tunnel, advancing 197 feet below sea level at a speed of 98 feet per day. This isn't just a drilling machine. It's a city-sized monster, designed to crush rock, soil, and anything else daring enough to stand in its way.